Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today we have a special recipe for you. And it's an easy recipe. And it's one of my kids' favorites. Ravioli with homemade marinara sauce. This simple meal is made with simple ingredients. And that's why it's so good. And before we get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. First, you'll want to slice and then mince 3 cloves of garlic. Next, you'll want to add your minced garlic to a sauté pan and add enough olive oil to cover your garlic. Don't be shy with the olive oil. This is a big part of this marinara sauce. The key to this marinara sauce is to have the garlic slowly cook in olive oil. Now fill up a pot with water for your ravioli. You'll want to make a little hole in the tomato and squeeze out any juice, and then add them to a bowl. You will be hand crushing these tomatoes. Now it's time to add in some herbs. If you have basil growing in your garden, use it. If not, we just used some oregano. Make sure to season the water with salt so it tastes like the sea. Now add your crushed tomatoes to your olive oil. And taste your marinara sauce. If it needs salt, add it. Now that your marinara sauce is ready, it's time to cook your ravioli. Start by adding each ravioli into the boiling water so they don't stick together. They should take approximately 8 minutes to cook. If you don't already have a spider, this is a great kitchen utensil to buy. Once you drain your ravioli, make sure you do not rinse it. Now, with that same pot that you cooked the ravioli in, put in a couple spoonfuls of your marinara sauce, and then add back your ravioli. Toss it, make sure everything is coated. That way they don't stick together. And now when you're dishing up your ravioli, you will be putting some sauce on top. Now drizzle the top with a little bit of olive oil. Grate some Parmesan cheese. And now let's see what the kids think of this meal. I hope you enjoy this easy recipe. Thanks for watching.